How to safely post AirPods on OfferUp. Navigating the world of online marketplaces can be a minefield of authenticity concerns. Whether you're buying the latest gadget or offloading some gently used tech, the question of is it real looms large. In the case of posting AirPods on OfferUp, ensuring authenticity isn't just a catchphrase, it's essential for both buyer and seller peace of mind. Online marketplaces have revolutionized the way we buy and sell, but they've also opened the door for counterfeit products to creep into our hands. A sleek pair of AirPods might catch your eye with a shiny price tag, but how can you be sure they're the genuine article? The prevalence of counterfeit goods online makes it crucial for sellers to build trust through verified authenticity. In this article, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of posting AirPods on OfferUp with confidence. We'll tackle everything you need to know, including and starting with the telltale signs of counterfeit AirPods, examining physical quirks, and ensuring that warranties are in check. By the end, you'll be armed with best practices that not only affirm your AirPods' authenticity, so let's jump in and make sure that your AirPods listing stands out for all the right reasons. First up, concern about authenticity. History of purchase. Let's dive into the murky waters of buying AirPods on OfferUp. Picture this. You found a seemingly perfect pair of AirPods Pros at a killer price. Excitedly, you pounce on the deal, envisioning pristine sound and sleek design to accompany your daily activities. But as soon as the package lands on your doorstep, a shadow of doubt creeps in. You punch in the serial number for verification, and voila, the number either can't be found or raises flags. This is where things start getting interesting and your radar starts pinging for signs of potential fakery. So, possible red flags. Let's unpack this serial number conundrum. A serial number like this can be a smoking gun in the world of authenticity. It may indicate that the product is not only potentially fake, but might have been doctored to appear genuine. Think of it as an identity card for your AirPods. If it's been altered, you're right to be suspicious. When listing your own AirPods on OfferUp, you want to clear these hurdles effortlessly. First, ensure the serial number is legitimate by cross-referencing it with the one registered on Apple's official website. If there's any mismatch or inability to verify, brace yourself. It might mean the AirPods aren't the real deal. It's crucial for both buyers and sellers to understand how these red flags can influence not just the perception, but the actual value of the product. You're after a transaction that's transparent and honest after all. Before posting, take a moment to educate potential buyers on how you've authenticated your pair. You'll not only boost their confidence, but also set a standard of trust in your transactions. Such transparency can turn a skeptical potential buyer into a confident one. Plus, the more informed you are, the greater the likelihood that you'll dodge any counterfeit pitfalls yourself. Next up, let's look at the physical appearance. When it comes to spotting fake AirPods Pros, the devil is in the details, and we're diving right into them. Packaging discrepancies. First off, you'd be surprised how much you can learn from just the packaging. If you've ever unwrapped a genuine Apple product, you know they make a big deal about their presentation. But beware of packaging discrepancies that scream fake. Some key things to check include the texture of the box. Is it too rough or glossy? As well as the precision of the plastic wrapping seams. Genuine Apple products usually have sharp, clean edges. Ink quality, by the way, is another giveaway. Original boxes have crisp fonts and vibrant colors, while imitations might look faded or blurry. Analysis of packaging variations. Now, it's not just about spotting those differences, but understanding what they mean. Sometimes Apple does indeed mix things up a bit with their packaging due to production at different plants or updates in their branding. So while some variations can be attributed to these legitimate changes, others could very well point to counterfeit products. Comparing your packaging with unboxing videos or images from Apple's website might help clarify the situation. Remember, while Apple isn't infallible, their packaging game is typically top-notch, so when something feels off, it might be worth looking into further. Overall, when listing or purchasing AirPods on OfferUp, it's crucial to not only check the obvious features of the product, but to also scrutinize the subtler aspects of its packaging to ensure authenticity. These small details might just save you from posting or purchasing a counterfeit product. Next up, warranty concern and return process. When diving into the depths of warranty concerns with your AirPods Pros, it's crucial to understand the implications of a suspected fake product. If you've got a pair that seems to be shrouded in mystery due to a suspicious serial number, it's worth noting that the warranty might be hanging by a a thread, or could already be null and void. Apple's warranty policy is unyielding when it comes to authentic products, so if there's a whiff of inauthenticity, you might find yourself out of luck when seeking support. Let's say you've got cold feet about your purchase and thoughts about returning them are starting to hijack your thoughts. It's a prudent move to contemplate a return, especially if there's a chance you've been duped with fake AirPods. However, there's a catch. Breaking that seal, opening them could further complicate an already tricky situation, particularly if the seller is unwilling to accept opened returns. To navigate this warranty landmine carefully, think about your hesitation as a healthy dose of skepticism. Before you dive in and commit to opening the box or charging up those questionable pods, it's wise to pursue definite verification. Whether that means a trip to the nearest Apple store or an exhaustive online verification process, ensuring you have a legitimate pair is key before making any concrete decisions about keeping or sending them back. After all, nobody wants to be caught with an overpriced pair of plastic and silicone masquerading as the real deal, right? Next up, seeking advice and feedback. So you've got your shiny new, or so you hope, AirPods Pros from OfferUp, and something just doesn't sit right. You're not alone, and reaching out can be your best move. First things first, share the details, post those images, the serial number if you're comfortable, and any gut feelings you have in online forums or communities where experienced tech enthusiasts hang out. Subreddits like r/AirPods or even specialty Facebook groups can be a goldmine of crowdsourced knowledge. But it's not just about airing concerns to the masses. There's value in targeting the right audience. Seek advice from tech-savvy friends or family members who might have a sharp eye for legitimacy. If you're feeling a bit more official, there are tech gadget evaluation services or stores authorized by Apple that might give you a more definitive answer. Yes, you might have to dish out a little for their judgment, but it can save you a ton of future headaches. Finally, don't hesitate to engage directly with the community on OfferUp. Contact the seller with your findings and concerns. Be polite yet firm, as this can often lead to valuable insights or resolutions. Remember, the goal here is to gather enough intel to make an informed decision without causing unnecessary stress. Your quest for authenticity is a shared journey, and leveraging collective wisdom only empowers you. Next up, ensuring authentic listings on OfferUp. So, you're ready to sell your AirPods on OfferUp and want to ensure everything goes smoothly and authentically. Here's how you do that. Verification steps. Start by establishing the authenticity of your AirPods. If you've got the receipt from an authorized retailer, flaunt it proudly in your listing. It'll make buyers more confident. Don't forget to check the serial number. Apple's website can help verify it. Even if you know they're genuine, making all these details clear in your description saves you time answering questions and boosts buyer trust. Safety measures. Selling online can feel like navigating a maze, but it doesn't have to be tricky with a few precautions. Always use OfferUp's messaging platform to communicate. Never share personal contact details. Arrange meetups in well-lit public locations, ideally with surveillance cameras or inside a police station lobby, which many police departments now offer for exactly this kind of purpose. When crafting your listing, be detailed yet concise. Clear photos, a straightforward description, and an honest rundown of any wear or tear can set the right expectations. This transparency also deters scammers and ensures the transaction is beneficial for both parties. Lastly, know the red flags. If a deal seems too good to be true, or if a buyer is rushing you into making a quick decisions, staying informed and cautious is key to a safe and smooth sale. By taking these steps, you not only enhance the legitimacy of your listing, but also contribute to a more secure and trustworthy online marketplace. So, happy selling! Conclusion. Selling electronics on OfferUp can feel like wandering through a labyrinth, fraught with pitfalls of fake goods and wary buyers. As we've journeyed through the challenges and solutions for posting AirPods, it becomes clear that ensuring authenticity is crucial for a successful online marketplace experience. Firstly, verifying product authenticity is non-negotiable. We've learned the value of being meticulous about checking serial numbers, scrutinizing every inch of packaging, and understanding the red flags that scream counterfeit. These steps not only protect your reputation as a seller, but also provide peace of mind for potential buyers. Additionally, exercising due diligence is your best defense against the pitfalls of counterfeit products. Taking time to ensure that what you're listing is genuine reduces the risk of future complications, like returns or disputes. Remember, a well-informed seller is a successful seller. Reaching out for advice isn't just a smart move, it's an important part of the process. Whether it's consulting an expert or engaging with a community on experiences, getting a second opinion can clarify any doubts and boost your confidence in your transactions. Finally, remember that selling on OfferUp is not just about moving an item, it's about building trust and ensuring both you and your buyer walk away satisfied. By following these guidelines, you're not merely listing AirPods, you're ensuring a smooth and secure marketplace interaction for everyone involved. Happy selling! See you next time. Bye!